but every time you're near, my heartbeat find lyrics.
You show up with that smile again, like sun upon my window pane. You love me soft, you love me loud. I can't help but feel so proud.
You're dead when my days get dark. You light my soul, you spark my heart. You no run when my dreams move slow, but no say you not ever let go. Me make for you and you make for me, like sea to sand, breeze to tree. But now look no more, me find my place. In your arms, me find my grace. Me make for you, me feel it true. From heart to heart, me belong to you. When me laugh, you laugh with me too. You move me like the ocean blue.
You see my scars and still stay near. My love, oh, you quiet me every fear.
No need for rush, no need for hide. You love me slow, you love me wide.
This bond I can't put in words. Your love sweet like Sunday birds.
Even when storm clouds rise, me know you're still by my side. We dance in the rain and dry. Me see forever in your eyes. Me make for you and you make for me, like roots to earth, soul to keep. Me nah look no more, me done worries. Me find my home in your embrace. Me make for you, me make for you, me make for you. Me make for you and you make for me, like sea to sand, breeze to tree. Me nah look no more, me find my place. In your arms, me find my grace. Me make for you, me feel it true. From heart to heart, me belong to you. When me laugh, you laugh with me too. You move me like the ocean